I can tell you why the apple falls, the apple falls, the apple falls. I can tell you why the apple falls, the apple falls, the apple falls. Look at me, explaining how the world was meant to be around. I'm definitely right, I was one who brought these facts to life. An object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by another force. I can show you how the planets move and all these things I know the source. Let me talk about this thing called gravity. It's part of our world's anatomy. And if for some reason you don't believe me, just ask bro, he's my bro. Me and my friends were in parliament, instituting things that are permanent. I made it all, every single set, no literally I ran the British Mint. Scientists love my new ideas, my new ideas, my new ideas. I can see the stars in my telescope, in my telescope, in my telescope. Look at me, just called to say that your ideas are wrong. Such a small world, kept over by gravity. You can read about in the Principia, the book I wrote with all my theories. It redesigns all the old ideas made by my own mathematic series. I can turn white light into rainbow, I can make science survive religious persecutions. I know how to run a business cause I own one. Yeah, prestigious teachers, preachers, and inventors. Me and my friends that stay in the future. I see the strings of the control system, I can move forever, no resistance. Earth is not centered, it's a satellite. It's a satellite, it's a satellite. I know because I made my own telescope, my own telescope, my own telescope. Look at me, the face of physics seem glad. It feels so good to be. Calculus is dead. My math, no fun, my virginity secure. My name is noble, of my theories, I'm sure. My ideas jump across the ocean, they set the scientific world in motion. You have to go and hear out my notions, they inspire scientific devotion. Unlike Galileo, I'm not in prison. Everybody listens, only my vision. I have innovation in my command. I am best buds with a royal throne, with a royal throne, with a royal throne. And I define physics with my voice alone, with my voice alone, with my voice alone. And I change the world with three simple laws, 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 three simple laws. I can tell you why the apple falls. The apple falls, the apple falls, and I can tell you why the apple falls, the apple falls, the apple falls.